Hello,
Hello,
Salaam alaikum.
وعليكم السلام.
How are you?
Good.
Okay, أعوذ بالله بسم الله.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
Okay, so you should start the first qaida lesson. Okay,
Okay, so now do we do Qaida lesson first?
yeah,
Okay,
it's okay.
yeah,
Are you happy?
yeah.
Okay, start from there. Wait a minute.
About my ear.
Hmm?
Oh, nothing.
Yeah, oh, yeah, start. Why he is not sharing screen? Are you seeing the screen?
Yeah.
Okay, start. Let's start.
Sorry. What spelling?
Yeah.
Okay. Hamza, Hamza, Fatha'a, Ta.
Yeah, read it.
I'm sorry. Um,
When you finish Duxi, take dishwasher, all the stuff, and then put it there. Okay, thank you. I have to do downstairs something and come back and do upstairs.
Hello.
um, hello, sorry. Um, at, Hamza, Hamza, Fatha'a, Ta, Zamatu, Ha, Ha, Alif, Ha, Alif, Jim, Fatha, Haj, Jim, Jim, Wow, Zama,
No, noon
Zu,
also. No, noon also.
Jim, Wow, Jim, Wow, Noon, Zama, June, At, Atu, Atuhaju, Atuhajun,
Hmm?
um, Noon, Noon, Ya, Kasrani, Atuhajuni,
أتحاجوني
Atuhaju, Atuhajuni,
أتحاجوني
Atuhajuni,
نو جوني غنى.
Atuhajuni.
Yeah, next one.
Wait, I need to go use the washroom.
Okay.
I'm back.
Okay. Now start from there.
Um, start from where? Oh, there. ولا 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 تاد ولا تحاد ولا تحاد حادو حادو
How do I? Look,
حادو
look at the above the ha. What's
حادو
is it codon? Is it another? Look at
Huh?
I said look at the dot. What is upon the dot? And look at the upon the ha also. Hurry up.
حادو
No, my friend, say you also look at upon the ha.
Oh,
Yeah.
حادو
Why are you not
حادو
stretching the ha? And the dua is also tashdid.
حادو
حد
حادو
no, ولا تحاضون.
ولا تحادون.
Yeah. Read it again. Where is your mind? Focus.
Sorry. ولا تحادون
وقفا.
وقفا ولا
To no,
تحادون
my friend. Ta.
ولا تحاد ولا تحادون.
Wake up. Evil. Read it. What's this?
ولا تحادون
Next one.
ولا تحاد
Read it spelling.
Noon Fatana.
Where
Wow.
are you?
I mean wow Fathawa.
No.
I mean wow Sorry. Wow Alif Sorry. Fatha was sword standing fatha. I mean sword fat standing fatha. Soft was soft ta كسرتي. I mean ta كسرتي. I mean fa standing fatha fa. تا كسرتي جيم كسراجي و وصاف فتيجة وقفا
What are you reading?
was وصافي I mean وصافة وصافتي
Wasofati. Straight up also.
وصافتي
Wasofati.
وصافتي جا وصافتي جا وقفا وصافتي
Wasofati. Straight up.
وصافتي
Sofa.
صفا
Where is your mind? Today, I don't know what are you reading and what are you not reading. Why? What
I mean
happened?
وصافتي I mean جا وصافتي جا
Let's drop.
وقفا وصافتي
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, read it this one. How will you read?
I read it. I read it.
Repeat again. I know.
وصافج I mean وصافتين فتيجة وقفا وصافجين
Okfan.
وقفا وصافتيج
Where is your mind?
وصافتي فتيجة وقفا وصافتيج
Just this one. Just this one. I don't know today what happened to you.
وصافتي
I say you
وقفا
also straight the fa, straight the fa. Look at upon the fa. There is standing fatha.
وصافتي
Yeah.
وصافتي وقفا وصافات
Next.
So sorry I had to go to that. What's up, loser?
Hello.
Hello, sorry. Ja, 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 ati. وقفا. I mean جاء this.
Listen, I'm really sorry.
جاء ساقط وقفا.
Right, I have to spend 2 weeks being miserable.
جاءت الصاخة.
You understand?
جاءت الصاخة وقفا. جاءت الصاخة.
Yeah, some cheap this.
Straight the
Come back
sword
here.
and look at the
See,
Apunta.
I don't want you
There
to
is
okay?
tashdid. You should strong the tajweed letters.
Okay. Bring it behind. Now we're gonna go get that. What? What's? I mean, I'll give you food, Sam. At this سقط وقفا. جاءت الصاخة.
Stuck out last night? Perfect. Oh, wait.
جاءت الصاخة.
جاءت الصاخة وقفا. جاءت صاخة.
Next.
If you agree to be my personal assistant for the next 2 weeks, so you can do everything I say and you can stop making to me. Fine. And delete those rumors about me right now.
Okay, now start from the Surah Yasin.
On this video then.
Surah what?
Oh, sorry. Surah An-Nas.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس.
Seen and hated for no reason at all.
Okay, start Surah Al-Falaq.
قل أعوذ برب الفلق من شر ما خلق ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب ومن شر النفاثات في العقد ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد.
Need a price room or something.
Okay. Tell me first kalima.
First كلمة لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله. Second كلمة meaning there's no God except Allah, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, Allah's messenger. Second كلمة أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. ورسول third كلمة سبحان الله والحمد لله ولا إله إلا الله والله أكبر ولا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله العلي العظيم. I'm not. Stop it. Stop. Fourth كلمة أشهد أن first كلمة لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له له الملك وله الحمد يحيي ويميت وهو حي لا يموت أبدا أبدا ذو الجلال والإكرام يده الخير يموت وهو على كل شيء قدير. Hello.
Yeah. Okay. Tell me the for sleeping.
اللهم باسمك أموت وأحيا. I'm still in.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, what did I say you? Hello. Are you listening me?
Hello.
Yeah, tell me the for sleeping.
اللهم باسمك أموت وأحيا.
Yeah, for waking up.
بس الله الحمد لله الذي يطعمنا وسقانا وجعلنا من الأمن وإليه النشور.
So this one's your side. So that's it.
Hello.
Why are you not reading?
I said it. I already said it.
So really, also you kind
I
of
said the dua for waking up.
But I didn't hear, my friend. Okay, dua for after eating.
الله الذي يطعمنا وسقانا وجعلنا من المسلمين.
she's the best. Over here.
Huh?
Do
Hello.
you memorize the sana? Do you memorize the sana?
No.
Why?
Oh, I think I did. سبحان الذي سخر لنا هذا وما كنا له مقرنين وإنا إلى ربنا. What am I saying? That's the for traveling.
I also don't know what are you saying. I have asked for you the dua sana, and you are reading another thing. I don't know today. Where is your mind? Subhanakallahumma.
Oh, سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك وتبارك اسمك وتعالى جدك وتعالى جدك.
What are you trying over here?
ولا إله غيرك.
ولا إله غيرك.
سبحانك اللهم
سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك
وبحمدك
وتبارك اسمك وتعالى جدك
ولا إله.
ولا إله غيرك.
Okay, is it enough for today?
Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum. Bye.
وعليكم السلام. Bye.